Welcome to Business Book Daily. Today I'm breaking down a book about why some ideas spread, some products catch on, and some messages get shared while others disappear. I'll give you the big ideas, the practical business takeaway, and 3 sharp insights you can post to LinkedIn today. Let's go. But first, a word from our sponsor. Want to grow your revenue without adding to your payroll? A lot of smart operators are hiring commission-only reps, experienced salespeople, who only get paid when they produce results. If that sounds like a smarter way to scale, post your opportunity at commissiononly.com. Thousands of motivated reps are actively looking for performance-based roles right now. Commissiononly.com. Today's book is Contagious by Jonah Berger. Berger is a Wharton marketing professor who studies why people talk, share, and buy. His core argument is simple. Things don't catch on by accident. Products, ideas, and messages spread because they're built in ways that make people want to pass them along. That's what makes this book useful for business owners, marketers, and founders. Most people think distribution is mainly about buying attention. Berger argues that a lot of growth comes from earning attention by making your message naturally shareable. In other words, word of mouth isn't magic. It has patterns, and those patterns can be used on purpose. The main framework in the book is STEPS, 6 drivers of why things spread. Social currency means people share things that make them look smart or interesting. Triggers means people talk about things that come to mind easily in everyday life. Emotion means people share what moves them, especially when the feeling is strong enough to push action. Public means visible things spread faster because people can see them and copy them. Practical value means useful information gets passed along because people like helping other people. And stories means messages travel further when they're wrapped inside something worth retelling. The business lesson is that good marketing isn't just clear, it's repeatable. If your customer can't easily explain your idea, your product, or your value in a sentence or two, it probably won't travel very far. But if you give people something useful, memorable, and easy to pass on, they'll do part of the distribution for you. So how do you apply this? Start with one blunt question. Why would anyone share this? Not why would they click it? Not why would they politely say it's good? Why would they send it to someone else? If you can't answer that, your marketing probably needs work. Then pick one part of STEPS and build around it. Add practical value by turning your expertise into a checklist, calculator, script, or shortcut. Add triggers by tying your message to a common moment in your customer's week. Add social currency by giving customers data, language, or insights that make them sound sharp when they repeat them. Also, make your proof easier to pass along. Don't just claim your service works. Show a before and after. Don't just explain a feature. Tie it to a recognizable customer problem. And don't hide your best insight under a pile of brand copy. Lead with the thing people will actually remember. Now here are 3 insights worth sharing. First, most companies don't have a distribution problem. They have a shareability problem. If nobody wants to repeat the message, buying more reach just wastes more money. Second, useful beats clever more often than marketers want to admit. Give people something that saves time, saves money, or makes them look smart, and they'll often do the distribution for you. Third, word of mouth isn't luck. It's usually the result of specific design choices that make an idea easier to notice, remember, and retell. Today's closing sponsor is memoirghostwriting.com. If you've been sitting on a business book idea, these are the people to call. They work with founders, executives, and industry experts to turn hard-won ideas into books that help attract leads, build authority, and open doors. They handle everything from interviews to writing to editing to publishing. If there's a book in your head that should already be helping your business, learn more at memoirghostwriting.com. That's it for today. See you next time.